somewhere around here close to where we are.
There's Long Beach Performing Arts Center.
Yeah, we're gonna go around this little loop that you see right here on the GPS.
Yeah.
That's the way that I got there last time. So that way y'all can see where. Check it out.
Oh, okay. Is that the aquarium?
No, that's not. That's what we thought too.
Oh, that's right. You know why in the world did they do that?
I don't know why, but that's what we thought too. So we go walking up to this building and they're like, no, this isn't the aquarium. This is the convention center. We're like, okay. Well, where's the aquarium?
Yeah. Long Beach Boulevard.
Yeah, this is where we came before for
Something like a museum or something?
this is where we came for apparently they had some race here or something. I don't know what's going on. They must have did a street race here or something, because all this wasn't like this before.
Huh.
Seriously. But the volleyball tournament that we came to was right over here.
So you're talking about they have these fences?
No, none of these fences, the stadiums, none of this was here. That's a big, huge parking lot back
They
there.
could have had a Formula One
Yeah,
racing.
they must have had a street race or something.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, very cool.
See what colors the traffic lights are. Good.
Yep, Formula One. That was
Is
it.
that what it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
That sign up there had a Formula One racing car on it. There's a big old Ferris wheel that way.
Yeah, this is, up here we're gonna turn left and that's where the aquarium and the
Get your head back where it belongs. Starts to work in 15 to 30 minutes. Use as directed. Let's go. We're back.
Back to the music, baby. Latino 95.
Yeah.
Doing that. You know, you really don't need to drink that much water, man, if you're not thirsty. Drink only if you're thirsty, man.
I heard if you're thirsty, that means you're already dehydrated.
No, man. I mean, you're getting dehydrated, but you're not, like, really
That's
dehydrated.
where the aquarium is, and I know you can see the Queen Mary from there, but I think that up here is the way to the Queen
Okay, so we just gotta...
Good, good.
Queen Mary.
It's crazy. They just said, oh, we'll just put fences up all around the street.
Yep, because I saw that big dome over there, and then the
Yeah.
Queen Mary.
Yep.
And you know, they filmed the Titanic over here too. They built the exact replica,
Really?
and they sailed it all from here, something like that. They were seeing it on the thing.
Is this a hotel? Hotel?
Yeah, you can like pay to come stay here.
Queen Mary.
As long as we're here less than 30 minutes, there's no charge.
Alright, cool.
Oh, really?
It takes that long to find a parking lot, a parking spot. Hey, we're here.
Sweet. Well, we've seen it though.
There's a pink RV over here.
Good day, man. I just wondered. The smokestacks, you know.
So I was like, okay, we have 30 minutes.
There's still people aboard the ship. They're still walking on there.
Hotel.
Yeah, we can go just walk around it and, you know.
Attraction and tour entrance this way. Hotel registration. I think that side's probably fun. ghost tours too, but I think those
Oh, are you
like
serious?
30 bucks.
Awesome. Hotel Queen Mary. We can get a room here.
Yeah, we can pay for it with your
My debit card. Debit card now. Hey, how y'all doing?
There's a free shuttle that actually takes you down there. Are you looking for anywhere in particular, Steve? Yeah. Yeah, let me give you some free stuff. Yeah, I know, not pretty sure you won't go to the bar though. That's where mommy and dad go
Alright, I'm on the Queen Mary. Just kind of walking down one of the corridors and stuff. Just kind of, you know, kind of doing a little tour of the Queen Mary. Everybody go find David and Cassandra. So they're around here on the ship somewhere. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Assuming that's Queen Mary.
You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left, but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I'm
Around, looking around, the boat and stuff.
Back here another day. The actual resort inspection.
Oh, really cool. We'll do that.
So this is Catalina Island.
Uh-huh.
It's like $60 to get there. I don't
60
know if
bucks.
you
What
wanna
kind of? Yes, I'm down for whatever. I am down. I've heard Catalina Island's pretty cool, so, you know.
like the person get on the boat to get out there.
What kind of boat do you get on to get out there?
That kind of boat.
Okay, like a little guy. Exactly.
Well, yeah, but you are paying for an ambulance. Oh, you ever heard of big crowds coming?
I'm like, shut door, shut.
It's all to do that. She don't take.
They have kids and stuff. I don't like them.
That's on tape also.
Exactly.
That's why I'm not having any. Our crew members all need to be there. Thank you for trying to help them.
We're leaving the Queen Mary now. How was the tour?
It was great. Had a good time. I actually went all through it. You looking for a restroom, first of all.
Oh, thank
Oh, you had to look for a restroom
Yeah, look for a
again?
restroom. Yeah, again.
I'll be
But,
there.
guys.
What?
Apparently they don't charge for parking after whatever time we got.
Oh yeah, we got rushed for nothing. Great. Oh well, we'll know that next time.
We went all through the shit.
I did too, pretty much.
I didn't see anything.
It was just a cruise ship,
I was
man.
trying to be the mama.
Cause I got you. I got you.